Hey everyone! Exploring the code behind a standard indicator like the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is the first step toward becoming a PineScript developer. In 2026, TradingView's editor is more intuitive than ever, allowing you to peek under the hood of their built-in tools with just a few clicks. Step 1. Adding the indicator. We are starting by placing the tool on your chart. We're heading to the Indicators button at the top of your TradingView screen. Search for Relative Strength Index and click to add it. The RSI will appear in a separate pane below your price action. Step 2. Accessing the source code. Now we want to see the math. We are heading to the indicator legend, the small text in the top left of the RSI pane. Hover your mouse over the RSI title. A row of icons will appear. Click the curly braces source code icon. The Pine editor will slide up from the bottom of your screen, revealing the script on a read-only gray background. Step 3. Understanding the logic. Before you save a copy, let's look at what the code is actually doing. We are looking at the core variables. We do this to understand how PineScript calculates momentum. Look for @version equals 6. This tells TradingView to use the most modern features available in 2026. You'll see a line like len equals input.int of 14 length. This creates the settings menu where you can change the RSI from 14 periods to something else. The line RSI value equals TA.RSI of close len is where the magic happens. It uses the TA.technical analysis namespace to call the built-in RSI formula, which compares average gains to average losses. Plotting, finally, plot of RSI value tells the computer to draw the purple line you see on your chart. Step 4. Saving your personal copy. Because the original script is read-only, we are heading to the drop-down menu in the top of the editor. Select Make a Copy. Once you give it a new name and save it, the background turns from gray to white. This means you can now edit the code, add your own alerts, or change the colors permanently. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.